Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the product. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Rome Tips. Today, I'm diving into my experience with HelloMobile's eSIM. If you're intrigued, you can find links to the product in the description below. This video shares my personal hands-on experience with the HelloMobile eSIM service, a budget-conscious mobile choice perfect for those seeking reliable connectivity without emptying their wallets. HelloMobile leverages T-Mobile's network, providing nationwide coverage, including 5G access where it's available, all at a competitive price. The eSIM activation process was incredibly smooth and completely online. Within minutes of scanning a QR code, my eSIM was up and running, bypassing any shipping delays. HelloMobile caters to cost-conscious users who value flexible plans without unnecessary extras. They provide affordable unlimited data plans, alongside limited data options for those with lighter usage habits, making it a suitable choice for both heavy and light data consumers. Throughout my time using HelloMobile, I consistently experienced clear call quality and reliable data speeds in both urban and suburban environments, especially in areas with robust T-Mobile coverage. A significant advantage, especially for international users, is the inclusion of unlimited calling and texting to over 60 countries, a huge bonus for those who frequently make overseas calls. One standout feature is the hotspot functionality, which allows you to share your data connection with other devices without incurring additional charges, a lifesaver when you need to connect multiple devices on the move. The HelloMobile app, while basic, is quite effective. It provides easy access to data usage monitoring, bill viewing, and account management. It's a great fit for those who appreciate a no-contract, pay-as-you-go setup without long-term commitments, giving you the freedom to change or cancel your plan whenever you need. However, it's worth noting that HelloMobile doesn't currently support roaming, so if you travel internationally often, this might not be the ideal option for you. Additionally, customer support is primarily online, which might be a drawback if you prefer direct, in-person assistance. To summarize, HelloMobile's eSIM is a fantastic option for budget-conscious individuals seeking decent coverage, dependable data speeds, and simple, straightforward plans. It's a solid choice if you're looking to save money without sacrificing the essential features of a good mobile service. For more details, be sure to check out the product links in the description. Thanks for watching.